Guys, if you're facing this issue while sharing anything in iPhone, then how to fix this? So let's say you are trying to share anything, but the icons, the contact names are not appearing, or you're trying to share through any app, this is not working. Then how to fix it? So you have to just forcefully restart your iPhone and it'll work. So how to do this? You have to just press the volume up once, then down once, and then press and hold this right side key until you see the Apple iPhone logo. Let's do this. Just press the volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the right side key. Do not worry, do not lift the finger until you see the Apple iPhone logo appearing on the center of the screen. Do not lift your finger. Wait for a few seconds, and here it is. Now lift the finger, and you have forcefully restarted your iPhone. And now try to share again, and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.